playing your guitar? You gonna suck your toe? Say, blam, 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 blam. That's your guitar. Yes, it is. That's your guitar. You gotta strum your guitar. Yeah, that's right. So, blam, 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 blam. Cool. Heidi was playing her guitar. This morning or last night. I think it was last night. So suck your toe for me. Show me your trick. Show me your trick. Can you show me your trick? Huh? Can you don't know? Can you show me a trick? Can you show me a trick? You're so cute. You're so cute. Show me a trick. You're so silly. Oh, don't fall down. You look all comfy though. You could fall down in all your toys. She's a bunny. You want to play peekaboo bunny? Okay, this is my peekaboo bunny. And I'm picking it up and the bunny comes out. Show us your trick. That's a cute toy. Okay, peekaboo bunny, peekaboo bunny. What's a peekaboo bunny? That's peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo bunny. Peekaboo bunny. What do you eat, peekaboo bunny? You're biting your box? Why don't we get something to chew on? If you want to chew. What you been chewing? You been chewing on hippo? Here's a ducky. You want a ducky? You have a ducky? You can chew on Mr. Ducky. Oh, no sugar. Didn't you have cereal already? What'd you do to you? You've been chewing on everything in here. So wet. You're so cute. I love you. I love my honey pie. I do. I love you very much. You're such a good baby. But this is me most of the time. I'm a good girl. I just like to play with my toys and watch TV. And I want mommy sometimes. But usually I'm a good girl.